Hey guys, welcome back to the lesson number 3. So in this lesson we will be learning about one of the most simplest topic, which is the font tag. So font tag is basically used to just to modify the text. Okay, it's use the color or it's change the size of the text or whatever it may be. So without much of delay, let's get started with the notepad. So I have opened my notepad. So let's start with the code HTML slash HTML close. Then comes the body. Later on body close. So as today is Sunday, I'm going to write and text that today is Sunday. Okay, let's keep it simple. Today is Sunday. So now let's save this. So select all files. Then after name it as lesson number 3 .html. You should always put its extension. Then later on go to the file where you have saved it. So I have saved it in my HTML basics file. So I will be running this lesson number 3. Wait a second. So here you can see that we have in the body part we have added text as today Sunday. So here it's in the output we can see today is Sunday. So it's not looking good, right? So it's very small and it's not even visible and even it's not attracting you, right? So let's use the font tag and make it so visible and more attracting. Okay, so for the font tag we are using the tag as font. Okay, font, it's simple, right? So next you have to close it. You have to close it. Okay, slash font close. So then later on in the font we are having 3 attributes. So first attribute is size attribute. Here I will be adding that as size. So let's keep it the size as 30. Okay, then later comes color. So let's add color red. It's my favorite color. Whatever the color you like, you can add it. So let's save this and see the output. So we are going to save, then just refresh it. So be ready for the magic. Okay, 1 2 3, let's refresh it. Oh wow, we can see here the output is extraordinary. The size has changed to 30 and the color has become red. So it's quite simple, right? So that's it. So here the next attribute which I'm going to use is face attribute. It's quite strange, right? Face. So face, I will tell you what is face. So face is nothing but it's a type, it's the name of the font. It's going to take the name of the font. So this is the name of the font. You can see different types of fonts, right? It might be in italic, very bold. So it's just a name of a font. Okay, so let's save this. Arial black, this is the name of a font. So let's save this. So get ready for the magic. 1 2 3. So here you can see the font got changed because earlier it was very little bit thin. Now it's become so thick. So it's the name of the font. Face is just a name of the font. Okay, so that's it for this class. So I hope you have enjoyed this new topic, font. So meet you in the next video. Then till then, goodbye, have a nice day, enjoy your day. That's it, have a good day, bye bye.